Super quick unboxing. This is just keyboard USB. Bought it for my Raspberry Pi. It's just the Amazon cheapest thing I could find. It's like maybe like 15 bucks, but it's a full keyboard. I don't like those little tiny ones. I like to have my own individual number pad, so I can do number pad things. That's what it looks like. And also comes with just a really basic laser mouse. Again, these are just extras you could have done. You could have easily gone to a thrift store and bought all this for like half the price, but I wanted it new. I didn't want someone else's grimy germs on it. Plus it has an Amazon logo. I've lately been obsessed with them. I'm not getting paid for this, but if I were, there's a link at the bottom. Look at it, click on it. There's a keyboard, you can buy it there. I feel like the keys are a little spaced apart, and it does feel like a $7 keyboard, but whatever. It's just for the Pi. And it all plugs in all nicely in here, so watch, I better get this on the first try. Oh, did you guys see that? On the first try. Same thing right here. Bam. Let's get this plugged in.